Well then, guys, which is crazy.
Has to be the man.
That shocked me a lot. I was like, I think it shocked everyone on the table. We were all like, what the heck?
It's really controversial.
Oh, is this the kind of spoilers that you want?
Last season ended with a car crash. This season starts with...
He ends up finding a friend at the hospital, and it's a boy in the named...
So, hang on, how do I explain this? I basically poison her. Yeah.
Holy crap.
Runs away, which is crazy. He's like, Loki, like, the Chris Warner of the show, so...
Valeria was like, damn. I was like, no.
I know all those little girls love a bit of huggies.
And he has taken to his... It's the most nerve-wracking and the most exciting thing, but we finally get to... This feels very weird, by the way, saying all the spoilers.
And then at the end of the show, you realise she's...
This crushes Utter so much. She just crashes out.
So that was a shock.
Good surprise in the last scene of the show, I reckon. Ends with... And he's gonna be so gangster for the audience.
Wait, is that too much? Am I just telling the whole story?
You know, I'm not meant to be sharing this information, but here we go. It's all out there now.